Hi guys, so I'm going to walk you guys through how to make a pillow out of just some simple heat transfer vinyl and a pillow cover and your pillow insert. So I got all of these heat transfer vinyls from Craftables, and I will link them down below in the description box. I haven't decided what color I'm going to do. I think I'm going to actually do black heat transfer vinyl on the pillow cover, and I think I'm going to have it just say, let's go. Right now I'm just in Cricut Design Space, and I've picked out my font, which is called Jacobly Black. The font options are up here in the corner. When you're going to iron on a project, it is important that in your design space, and since that's what I'm using, that's what I'm going to talk about, you need to be sure to mirror your image. So right over here, you can see that I have it clicked on. I'm going to click it off. So this is normal. Let's cuddle. You need to mirror it, because once it cuts it out onto your heat transfer vinyl, you're going to flip that over, you're going to put your iron on top and iron it and peel that off, and you want it to go the correct direction. So always mirror your image when you are cutting out words. Cutting at 18%, so almost there. It's done. So I'm going to unload it. It's important to get up in those little corners, like right up here, kind of down here. Make sure you get the center of the iron kind of up in those corners.